Good morning, Thomas Fitzwater Cheetahs. I have a very special announcement today. A couple of reminders for you. I'm actually homesick today, but it's so important that I give you this message that I'm doing it from my house. All right, here's the important information for you. First of all, welcome back. I know that you had a very nice week off. It was refreshing for all of us. I know that we all got a chance to reset, really be mindful of our behavior, our actions, our words. We have to really follow the Paul's way. I think we'll need a little reminder. And now we're reset for spring, after spring break. We have a couple of really big things coming up this week. Tomorrow, grades 3, 4, and 5 will start English Language Arts PSSA. I know that you're all a little nervous for that, but I know you're going to do a fantastic job. So your teachers will give you some reminders about our expectations for PSSAs that will start tomorrow. Exciting news is this Friday will be our April school-wide event, which is our inflatable race. And you're like, what is that? Well, some of your teachers are going to be in an inflatable costume, and we're going to have a foot race out there on the soccer field on Friday afternoon. And the way that you're going to be able to spend your pause cash this month on this school-wide event will be that you're going to take your pause cash, $1 cash, you're going to write your name on the back of that pause cash, and then you're going to put it in the bin. So there are bins up by the statue, by gym class, with different inflatables and their names. They're hilarious, right? We have Sloth Vader. Anyway, you'll go up and you'll read them. I'm going to give you a little preview of that on this video. What you're going to do is you're going to vote. You're going to put your money where you think the inflatable will win, like which inflatable will win. You'll put your name on the back of your money, and then you'll put your money in the bin. The winner of that inflatable race, we will pick a bunch of names from that bin, and what you can win is a picnic with me, with a towel and your lunch and a friend, out back with Rita's Water Ice. So if you win that inflatable, you're going to be able to go have lunch with me outside on a towel with some Rita's Water Ice, okay? And I think it's springtime, so we're all ready for some Rita's. The other thing on Friday that's taking place is we're going to be taking our drone shot. Drone will fly above and take an aerial shot of our entire staff and students on Friday. So every student, please wear blue. Students will wear blue for the drone shot. You're going to write actually with your bodies, TFES. And staff members will wear yellow for the paw print. So on Friday, some exciting things coming up. Inflatable race, Fitzwater Derby, that's what we're calling it, and the drone shot. So also on Friday, in honor of Fitzwater Derby, make sure that you wear a hat like you would for the Kentucky Derby. You can make a hat, you can buy a hat, you can just get a hat from your closet and wear it on Friday. So don't forget, all week long, make sure that you're putting your pause cash in the bin for the inflatable races. Have a fantastic day, everybody. I'll see you real soon. I know I'm working real hard to get better. Have a great Monday. Bye.